Okay, if you want to format your numbers in Excel, how you do is you click on the number in Excel and you click home and you click general here. Okay, you scroll down, it's already in general, and then you go through each part, you click number, it will be in two decimal places. You can increase the decimal places by clicking the left arrow here or decrease the decimal places. um, then I will again click the number and I can go to currency. It will change into a currency with the pound or whatever I have set, whichever country I have set in. I can change it into accounting format so that the pound is here and um, the numbers are here. Okay, and with the comma and this in an accounting format. um, I can fix it in percentage. Okay, so that's the percentage format. I can fix it in fraction. So for example, if I have it, if I have 4.5, I click enter, so it will convert into 4.5 because I have fixed fraction here. Even though I've written 4.5, if I want, I can change it into percentage. Okay, I can change it into um, the power of scientific. I can change it to text, so which will be 4.5. It will be on the left hand side. The text starts on left hand side, and then I can, for example, I can type in um, the date 26th of March 2019. I can again click this cell, and it will be, I can put it to short date, which is like that, or long date, which will include the day, which is Tuesday, 26 March 2019, without slashes. I can add time if I want. I can add time, double click this, and add time in it as well. Okay, then I can also um, go to more number formats here, and then if I go through each one, if I go to general, it will be like this. The sample is written like this. Number format will be like this. Okay, I can put to negative numbers. Okay, I can use separators if I want, so that there's a thousand separator. So if it's like 43,550, there'll be a comma to separate, or I can not include that if I want. I can use that as well. I can increase or decrease the decimal places. You can see the preview here. Decrease, increase the decimal places. I can so like this, the negative numbers will be shown, or I can click here like this, the negative number will be shown. Okay, and then what I do is I can go to currency, and which will have three decimal places. I can change the decimal places to 0, and the symbol could be pounds, English, Spanish, Chile, or anything like that. I can put to, or I can put to euro, Italy, so it will be euro sign here. So here I can change the symbol of the currency. I can go to accounting and change decimal places. Symbol will be whichever country I want. The date would be, I can choose, click here, this format, or this format, this one, like that. Whatever date I want to choose. Language, and I can choose which one I want. Language, calendar type, I can choose, which is only one, Gregorian. I can choose the time, so it will appear like this, or you can see here this AM or PM. Okay, and I can choose the location as well. The time percentage will be like this, so I can increase or decrease the decimal places. Fraction will be, I can up to two digits, I can fix it up to three digits, or whatever fraction I want. Okay, then there will be scientific and text, special. Okay, I can custom it. Okay, I can custom these things, and I can just press OK whatever I select. If I go to alignment, I can just see that the horizontal, I can put it to left, the alignment to left or right. Right now it will be in the center. Vertical alignment I can choose as well. I can wrap the text, shrink to fit, or merge the cells in alignment. Then there's a font thing. I can choose italic, bold, or anything I want from here. Sizes, anything like that. I can underline it, double lining, single accounting, double accounting lines. Okay, and the color, I can choose the color I want. Normal format, strike through. I will explain that in later